full Santa production. This is the reindeer on the sleigh with Santa. This one is cutting more of the foam reindeers. This is the gaggle of reindeer. There's going to be a whole sleigh. Sleigh came together nice. Yeah. This is the home one. It's got to be carved up a little bit, but I think that one's going to be the most awesome. Careful, little foam guy. I'm going to take them apart so we can put them in the back. Ooh.